Good morning, fish dudes and dudettes. It's 6:30 a.m. and I'm going fishing. I'm gonna go for a hike. Not sure where just yet, but I don't usually find myself awake this time of day. I'm a sunset fisherman, not a sunrise fisherman, so I have been trying to get up early a couple times and just do some morning fishing just to compare and contrast the differences. So let's see what we can get on this episode of. It's early and I'm tired, so I'm going to let my wife Kelly narrate this entire video. So let's see how much she knows about fishing and species identification. Hey Kelly, before I get started, why don't you tell them how I'm using the single-tail grub collection from the Scentsy Fish Dude Confidence Tackle Box, available online and at RRT, Road, Rivers, and Trails in Milford.
Well, that was a lot to take in there. It was like a little spiny thing that you just threw. There you go. You just threw it. That's what it was. Something you just threw in there. Hopefully you get something, though. Looks like a nice little morning, though. No waves, no ripples. Is it hot out yet? Oh, look at that. Did you get one? I think you did. Oh, is that a guppy? It's like a little guppy. No, is it like a smallmouth? Smallmouth? Angelfish? Looks like a bluegill. Probably a bluegill. Oh. It's a crappie. Lots of casting there. Is that how you get your muscles so muscly? Aha. Yeah, I got away from you there.
Smallmouth, Kelly.
Yeah, smallmouth. That's why I got loose. Oh, are you pouting now? He's pouting. Where'd he just disappear? All right, try a new spot. What do we got here? Oh, there you go, there you go. Nice little bluegill. Crappie? It's a crappie, right? Sunfish?
Kelly, that was a green sunfish.
Oh, okay. Sunfish are kind of pretty. Nice little area. Oh, is that another one? Little sunfish. Aw, so cute. Green sunfish. I'm learning. Oh, goodness gracious. Are you catching the same one over and over? I swear that's what's happening. He likes that little bait on your hook. Same little guy. Okay. Oh, look, you snagged something. Oh, goodness. What is it? What is it? It's definitely not that same guy again. Aw, it's a smallmouth?
What species is this, Kelly?
Fish?
Lateral line. No heavy spotting. If you said largemouth bass, you were correct.
I said smallmouth bass. He looked like he had a smallmouth. Oh, I like this area. I'd rather swim though. Swim in there. Lots of casting. Oh, looks like you got something. He's bending your rod there. Ah, look at him. He's back. Little sunfish again. They like you.
Another green sunfish. So Kelly, I'm going to use another single tail grub from our Cincy Fish Dude Confidence box. So go ahead and give me a name for this one.
He can be
Give me
Sparkles.
a name for this color.
He's Sparkles. Little Sparkles. It's awfully pretty there. I'd like to climb on those. Aw. Little nature tour. The sun's a shining. All right, let's catch something here, okay? There you go. What could it be? Oh, I didn't see it. I blinked. Okay, number 8 there. I have no idea. Bluegill. Looks a little deeper there. Maybe you'll catch a largie or something. Oh, that makes more splash. Hey! Hey! That's a largemouth, right? You said the stripe thing. He's got a stripe. Good for you! What a morning! Oh, look at him. He's ready to get back in there. Hopefully you don't trip on all those rocks there. Just walking in the water. In the middle of the creek. There you go. Ah, you got yourself another one. It's another largie, right?
Which one is this, Kelly?
Smallmouth bass, because it doesn't have the stripe on it.
It's one of our favorite, although this is a very small one. It's one of our favorite fish to catch. If you said smallmouth bass, you are correct.
I did. Yay. Okay. I got that one. Got one right out of like 12. Ooh, look how the sun's hitting that water. I bet it's getting warmer now. Ah. Another little... Oh! What'd you happen? What'd you do with them? Yeah, dude got lucky there. Nothing but you in the water and all those bugs that are singing. Oh, got another one. Okay. Ayo.
This is not solid green. It does have a lateral line.
Largemouth?
And it has a large mouth.
Largemouth.
What do you think this is?
Largemouth bass, right? And you're using little sparkles, that little sparkle guy, that lure.
If you said largemouth, you're right, Kel.
Woohoo! $13? Dang! That's Taylor Swift's favorite numbers, 13. Bet you didn't know that. There's 14. Now you're just showing off. 15? Dang. And he's still using Sparkle Guy. He's a lure. Oh, look at this, a new little area. Is that an eagle? Must mean you're about to catch something really big. Uh-oh. Wow, he's flopping around. This has to be huge, right?
Fish of the day. Fish of the day.
Oh, goodness. All right, I can tell the difference. Number 16's the winner. He gets his own photo op. Look at how cute he is.
Okay, Kelly, I want you to Tell me what this is. There's no lateral line, solid green.
Smallmouth bass?
The best fighting fish in this creek today.
Smallmouth bass. Am I right? Am I right? Look how cute he is. See ya. Oh, there's another person out there. 17. Watch check.
9:16.
You've only been out there like 3 hours. I'm still sleeping probably. Oh, sorry, I missed number 18 there. It looked like a bluegill, sunfish, whatever. I've lost count. But I'm glad it's entertaining you. Oh, I know where you're at. Uh-oh. Oh, he's cute. Number 19. Oh, you changed your bait. It's a green wiggle thing. What do you find? A cave? What is that? Don't be getting close to that. We're just gonna jump out of there. Is that poison ivy? You fishermen are you're very brave. Battling all these. Are you gonna walk on that thing? I'm gonna tell your mother. Oh, you must like and subscribe, guys. If you want for more content like this. The Little Miami River area. Or maybe this is a creek, I don't know. I like this music. Nice choice. Look at all those bugs. Ah, look at that! Woohoo! I have no idea what kind you just caught. Oh, it's a smallmouth bass. Number 20. No largemouth. That's a big mouth. Does he have teeth? Huh. I'm all confused now about what's largemouth and what's smallmouth with the stripe and not the stripe. And the green and the solid. I'm learning though. I mean, how can I keep up after like 21 fish today? It's a beautiful morning though. It's summer break again. I'm probably still sleeping. Hey, look at that little guy. I have no idea. What is he? Small. Oh, he's got the line, largemouth bass. Or am I confused again? Oh, look, he looks like a sunfish. That's a really beautiful area. I'd like to swim there too. I won't do it though. I'd like to. I think there's like snapping turtles in there. Oh, he just snuck up on us.
Okay, one more.
23.
What fish is this, Cal?
Oh, he's got the line. Smallmouth bass?
Heavy one.
Largemouth? I have no idea.
One more today. One more today. Thank you, Kelly, for narrating the video today. I'm going to wrap it up here. I very much appreciate it.
Look at that beauty.
I'll take over from here. Hey, guys, we'll be back in 1 week. You've been watching Cincy Fish Dudes. Fun little morning in the creek. It's going to be upper 90s today, so I'm glad I got out early. And I didn't really have to do any yapping today because Kelly did it all for me. Speaking of Kelly, she's on her way to pick me up right now because, like I always do, I end up walking for miles and miles and hours on end until I'm like ridiculously far from my car. And, well, she's the greatest fishing Uber alive. I do. You know what you just did?
What?
You just narrated this entire video. I caught all 23 fish today using the grubs from the Cincy Fish Dude Confidence Tackle Box, available online, link in the description below, or at the brick and mortar mom and pop family owned RRT Road Rivers and Trails in Milford, Ohio.